The US equities closed mostly high on Friday, booking their strongest weekly performance since June, but still logging a monthly decline after an escalation of the US-China trade war. The S&P 500 fluctuated throughout Friday's session, finishing almost unchanged on the day at 2,926.46, after rallying on Thursday on the back of a pause in trade threats between the US and China. The index saw a 2.8% rise for the week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average traded for 26,403.28 by Friday's close. For the week, the 30-stock index gained 3%, its strongest weekly advance since the week ended on June the 7th. Meanwhile, the NASDAQ Composite edged down to close at 7,962.88 on Friday. Still, the tech-heavy index advanced by 2.7% for its biggest weekly rise since the period ended on June 21st. The major indices logged their first losing month since May. The S&P 500 saw a 1.8% monthly decline, the Dow fell by 1.7%, and the Nasdaq gave up 2.6%. On Sunday, the US imposed fresh tariffs of 15% on Chinese goods, including clothing, tools, and electronics. A round of retaliatory Chinese tariffs also took effect, targeting imports of the US soybeans, crude oil, and pharmaceuticals. Both governments have more scheduled for December. Data on the world's largest economy showed personal spending accelerated in July, exceeding forecasts. The U.S. household consumption remained solid at the start of the third quarter, but the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index dropped to its lowest since October 2016. The Federal Reserve's preferred measure of underlying inflation continues to fall short of its goal. So which stocks were in focus? Shares of Dell Technologies rose by 10.2% on Friday to end at $51.53 with a 5.08% weekly gain. After Thursday's closing bell, it reported second quarter results that topped Wall Street estimates. Speaking of the worst performers, shares of Ultra Beauty declined by 29.6% on Friday after the cosmetics retailer reported disappointing second quarter results on Thursday. The company's stock finished at $237.73, posting a weekly loss of 29.01%. You've watched a weekly financial review on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. See you back soon.